The Maverick is a little bit surprised this evening by the recent revelation by outgoing ISA President Dr. Walton Small that plans to increase the amount paid out in prize monies to schools competing at champs. We'll have to wait until next year because there is a significant shortfall in sponsorship. Dr. Small went as far as to mention a $30 million figure, equating to the amount foregone by the withdrawal of longtime champ sponsors Flow. But here what beat the Maverick now. I remember vividly when Flow announced they were moving on from champs, the impression coming from Issa at the time was a kind of no problem, man. When one door is closed, many more are open, implying that they would easily replace and indeed exceed the Flow sponsorship. Not necessarily from one big sponsor, but the idea was to involve multiple smaller partnerships. Obviously, that don't happen yet. It looked like Issa overestimated the value of champs in the open market. Or is it that promises were made that are yet to be fulfilled? Whatever it is, hearing about a fallout in sponsorship affecting plans and blah, blah, blah is very much surprising to me. Oh yes, the Maverick is definitely surprised. Yeah. Yes, see there? Surprise. Yes, surprise.